Hello everyone, Meteorologist Mike here with your Delmarva Forecast here on November the 11th, and it is a wet one out there on Delmarva, Georgetown, and Ocean City, both over a quarter of an inch right now. Unfortunately, the Wallops Island and Newark, Delaware observations are both broken right now. Newark reports a grand total of 0 inches of rain, which I know to be false, and Wallops Island is just reporting absolutely nothing across anything. Alright, something else going on right now is that there is a tornado watch in effect in the lowermost county on the peninsula. This is in effect until 3 p.m. And you can see here on our radar, this is the line of thunderstorms that we are worried about with that tornado watch. There are currently 3 active tornado warned cells within this cluster. It is slowly headed our way. It should lose steam by the time it crosses the Chesapeake. Okay, that's it for right now. Let's take a look on ahead. You see there is some more rain on its way. It should be mostly done by the time tonight ends. You see we're in this nice little donut by 7 o'clock tonight. There is another band of rain that will be coming in behind it, and that will be where most of our wind comes from for tonight. My total rainfall forecast is going to stay the same. I know I don't have the observation to keep an eye on, but I'm still saying a half inch to a full inch within this green box here, and less than a half inch total. That includes what has already fallen. Okay, winds. Winds are going to pick up a little bit tonight. I know we're seeing sustained winds 15 to 20 miles an hour right now in some areas of the peninsula. I do expect them to increase up to 20 to 25 miles an hour on the ocean coast overnight tonight and into the early hours of tomorrow morning, and then it will quickly calm back down as the center pressure moves on away. Alright, let's look at your 7-day forecast. Tomorrow is the last day of these remnants. Sunday, a cold front comes through, hits us with a couple of showers, and plummets our temperatures, our lows on down to around 30 degrees.